Well, good evening, everybody. We have the Victor here, done, finished, restored, and it's truly a thing of beauty. It's very nice. I love the soft light of these old hot blasts. It's wonderful. Enjoying it. Didn't do a real vigorous restoration on it. I just wanted to take the rust off and leave it age peacefully and gracefully. Preserve it. I went over with some mother's polish just to get the roughness off the metal and to protect it, and it came out real nice. We'll do another video in the light so you can actually see it, but yeah, it's a happy lantern now. I will be replacing the wick. It was giving me troubles earlier this evening. I wasn't able to adjust it, and it was just not working properly, so I don't think it's getting the correct amount of fuel that it needs. And yeah, it's a 90-year-old wick at least, and it's a 121, 22-year-old lantern. So yeah, I think it's time to replace the wick, which I'll do probably tomorrow. For now, it's working. But you know, I just don't know why some people will electrify these old lanterns. I don't get it. I mean, yeah, people are just afraid of them for some reason. They're fairly safe lanterns to use. They were designed to be very safe for their time, and if used properly, they are completely okay. I don't even smell this one. I've been using the lamp oil that you can get at Walmart or whatnot, and it's mostly probably a paraffin or it's a highly refined kerosene. Doesn't give off any odor. This one was smelling like kerosene before I restored it, but that was probably just smelling the old kerosene residue that it had accumulated over the last 100 years. But now it smells great. It doesn't have any scent to it. It's just, yeah, burning it in the house is totally fine. And it's just, the hot blasts are definitely best for indoor use because of the recycling the hot air. They don't exhaust as much as a cold blast. So, but they are great for indoors. I like them a lot. Anyways, yeah, everybody has great plans for the weekend. Should be a nice one. Shouldn't rain too much more. And yeah, go light a lantern or enjoy whatever collection you have, and then enjoy it with the people you love and care about. Hey, special shout out to Bob the Lantern Guy. Been enjoying our conversations, and looking forward to your next video. And yeah, we'll be making another video ourselves here come Monday or Tuesday, and I will do one more for this one so you can see the details. But anyways, buddy, have a good one and keep the good videos coming, and I will do the same. Take care and God bless. Good night.